What is going on, traders? In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I made $1,800 today day trading the S&P 500. Now, before I actually get into the setup, I want to show you guys proof, because at this point I could just be lying to you. I could just be fabricating all of this, but I want to show you guys proof before I get into the setup, the exact setup that made me $1,800 today. I made this money on Tradeify. Excuse me. If you don't know what Tradeify is, it is basically a prop firm. It is a prop firm. It allows you to use their simulated capital to go ahead and trade, and they give you rewards from the trades that you, or from the profit targets that you hit, and from the trades that you take. Of course, they all have their different rules as to when or how you can get a payout, but for the most part, I'm about halfway to the payout for this account. This is the instant funded account with Tradeify, and let me go ahead and show you guys the exact stats from the journal. Now, here you go. I'm also going to show you guys on Tradeify that this was the exact trade that I took. You guys can see this is not just the first time I've made $1,800. I've shown you guys the stats before. This is just an update on the current process of me getting this payout with Tradeify. Okay, first trade was a loss, came back with the second chance trade, made $2,100, so on and so forth, up until today. Made about $1,800 gross after the commissions and fees. Made about $1,700. I dropped 5 contracts. I dropped 5 contracts on the S&P, and that's exactly what allowed me to make the money I made today. This day was a break-even day. I lost 70 cents, literally 70 cents. It was a break-even day, so I don't even count that as a loss. This was the only losing day so far in September. September is actually looking really good right now compared to August, especially. August was just a terrible month for me. It was a losing month, but those months happen. Those months come. You just have to be able to survive. That's the biggest thing when it comes to trading. You have to be able to survive the down months. If you don't survive the down months, then when the good months come, you won't be able to capitalize. So if I didn't survive through August, if I had risked everything in August, I wouldn't have been able to come back in September. And we're only 7-8 days into September, and I've already made a comeback. So a lot about trading is just being able to survive, keep your head above the water. Now let me go ahead and hop into Tradeify and show you the exact same one. I decided to log in before just so you guys don't see my password or anything. You can see the same P&L, 4,678. This is a 150K instant funded account. 4,680 something dollars. If we go to today's P&L, today is September 8th. You can see same exact profit, same exact P&L. So that's that. Let me go ahead and break down the trade for you guys. If we hop into trading view, go up to the 4-hour. Let me go back a little bit actually. We're going to instant replay this. Boom. Here's where we are. So as I came into the session, we were around this point. I noticed that price was within a range from this high to this low. And look what happened to this low. This low got taken out, got manipulated, but price did not displace through that low. So this showed that price didn't necessarily want to go down. It just wanted to take out some sell side liquidity before continuing to the upside. So now this is my target. Drop down to the 30-minute, the 1 hour. There was a fair value gap on a previous 4-hour candle. Within that fair value gap, we got MLBM. If you guys don't know what MLBM is, go ahead and shoot me a DM. I'll show you exactly. I'll guide you to the resources that can tell you exactly what MLBM is, because that is the strategy that I've been using consistently that has made me money. You guys can see the previous videos where I made $25,000 with Top Step over a span of 2 months. And this is the strategy that has consistently been making me money. So I want to share that with you guys. Just go ahead and send me a DM, and I will give you those resources. I'll provide you with those resources. Within this 4-hour fair value gap, we had MLBM broke to the upside. Now we're retesting this order block that was left behind. Within that order block, as we tap into it, drop down to the 1-minute time frame, there was a high that was created. A high was created, then we get a huge bullish engulfing candle. Boom. That is our entry point. That's the point we get into the trade. So we're in the trade at this point, and we just let it ride. I usually go break even at 1 to 2. So at this point, we're at 1 to 2. So I'm at break even at this point. I don't care what the trade does. I'm break even. It's a risk-free trade. And thankfully, this trade ended up hitting full TP, and we were done within a matter of minutes. This took about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes to hit TP, and we were done for the day. Took this trade before the market even opened at 9:30. This trade was taken around 8:20, 8:30-ish. So this trade lasted about 15 to 25 minutes, like I said, before market even opened, and we were out of there. So we avoided any of this confusion before the market opened, after the market opened, and we were able to capitalize. So that was the trade that netted me $1,800 today. I showed you guys proof. I showed you guys everything, and I've been showing you guys proof of everything ever since Top Step, ever since FTMO. You guys can go back into older videos. I've been showing you guys every single thing, every single journey, every single prop firm that I've been taking. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Even with Apex, you guys saw me almost get close to a $30,000 payout with Apex. But because of my psychology, which I've been working on a lot, now I'm not necessarily affected as much. I'm not going to say I'm not affected at all. I'm just not affected as much as I was before. So now the profits are bound to roll in just because I'm more in control of my psychology, more in control of my mental. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.